Caffeine, a savior for some, a villain for others. Could it be that our cherished morning ritual of coffee drinking is draining us more than it's energizing us? This is the caffeine controversy. For years we've relied on caffeine to kickstart our day, to pull us out of that mid-afternoon slump. But what if I told you, this quick pick-me-up might be doing more harm than good? Let's peel back the curtain on caffeine. Sure, it gives you that initial jolt of energy, but it's often followed by a crash, leaving you more exhausted than before. It's a vicious cycle of ups and downs. And that's not all. Excessive caffeine can lead to jitteriness, insomnia, and an increased heart rate. Ask yourself, is that cup of joe worth the potential side effects? Is there a better way to energize ourselves without becoming dependent on caffeine? So, what if there were a way to get that energy boost without the caffeine crash? Introducing natural energy boosters, your new allies in the battle against fatigue. Picture this, it's mid-afternoon, you're feeling sluggish and the coffee machine is beckoning. But what if there was a different way to reclaim that lost energy? A way that doesn't involve a caffeine-induced high followed by an inevitable crash. That's where natural energy boosters come into play. They're not some magical concoction or miracle pill. No, they're far more grounded and accessible. They can be as simple as lifestyle changes, introducing certain foods into your diet, or incorporating specific activities into your day. These natural boosters are designed to help you increase your energy levels, improve your focus, and enhance your overall well-being, all without the need for caffeine. So, are you ready to break free from the caffeine cycle and explore the vast array of natural energy boosters available to you? Ready to dive into the world of natural energy boosters? Let's begin. First up on our list is something you may not expect: water. In the grand symphony of our bodily functions, water plays a crucial role as the conductor. It's a vital part of our biological makeup, making up about 60% of our body weight. Now, you might be thinking, sure, we need water to survive, but how does it impact our energy levels? Well, let's dive in. When we're dehydrated, our bodies have to work harder to perform basic functions, leading to feelings of fatigue and sluggishness. Think of your body as a car. If oil is the lifeblood of a car, water is the lifeblood of our bodies. Without enough water, our engines, our bodies, start to sputter and stall. But how does this happen? Well, water carries helpful nutrients to all of our cells, especially those responsible for producing energy. It also aids in removing waste products that can cause fatigue and tiredness. And let's not forget that our brains are almost 3/4 water. Even mild dehydration can affect our mood, memory, and attention span. So, how do we ensure we're staying adequately hydrated throughout the day? The old adage of 8 glasses a day is a good starting point, but your needs may vary depending on factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. Try to make water your go-to beverage throughout the day, and if you're not a fan of plain water, infuse it with fruits or herbs for a flavor boost. And remember, foods with high water content like cucumbers or watermelon can also contribute to your hydration. So let's raise a glass of water, that is, and toast to a more energized you. Hydration is not just about quenching thirst, it's about fueling your body, your brain, and yes, your energy levels. Remember, when it comes to energy, don't overlook the power of water. Today we're discussing multiple natural energy boosters, not just one. Let's start with the first one, movement. Yes, you heard that right. Movement and physical activity are potent catalysts for sparking your body's energy. However, it's not the only thing that can get your energy levels soaring. Our second natural energy booster is hydration. It might sound simple, but maintaining optimal hydration levels can significantly improve your energy. Dehydration often leads to fatigue, so ensuring drinking enough water throughout the day is key to keeping your energy up. Our third natural energy booster is a balanced diet. Your body derives energy from the food you eat, so eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods can provide you with the energy you need to get through the day. Foods high in iron, such as spinach and red meat, can prevent fatigue, while complex carbohydrates like whole grains provide a slow, steady stream of energy. Our fourth natural energy booster is sunlight. Spending time outdoors and soaking in natural sunlight is a fantastic way to boost your mood and energy levels. The sun's rays trigger the production of vitamin D in our bodies, which plays a crucial role in energy production. Lastly, but certainly not least, let's circle back to the power of movement. Regular physical activity increases your heart rate, pumping more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. This process jumpstarts your metabolism and your body begins to produce more energy. Plus, exercise triggers endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators, making you feel more alert and alive. Whether it's taking a brisk 10-minute walk during your lunch break, doing a quick set of jumping jacks between work sessions, or incorporating simple exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups into your daily routine, these small movements can revitalize you. Movement also promotes better sleep and improves mental health, creating a domino effect of benefits that lead to a healthier, more energetic you. So, don't underestimate the power of these natural energy boosters. By embracing a more active lifestyle and focusing on hydration, a balanced diet, and sunlight, you're not only improving your physical health, but also boosting your vitality and zest for life. So, get moving, hydrate, eat healthily, enjoy the sun, and unleash your energy. We've already discussed some fantastic natural energy boosters, but let's dive deeper and uncover more of these amazing sources that can keep you charged throughout the day. These are not only beneficial for your energy levels, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Our first additional natural energy booster is mindfulness and meditation. It might sound surprising, but taking a few minutes each day to meditate and focus on your breathing can significantly boost your energy levels. Meditation helps reduce stress and anxiety, which often drain your energy. Plus, it promotes a better night's sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Next up, we have sleep itself. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining high energy levels. When we sleep, our bodies recharge and repair, preparing us for the next day. A good night's sleep can make a world of difference to your energy levels, so ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Another natural energy booster is laughter. Yes, you heard that right. Laughing has numerous health benefits, including boosting your energy. It increases heart rate and blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your tissues, giving you an energy boost. So, don't forget to laugh and enjoy life. Our last natural energy booster is listening to music. Music has a profound effect on our mood and energy levels. Upbeat music can make you feel more energetic and motivated, so next time you're feeling low on energy, put on your favorite tunes and let the music lift your spirits. With these natural energy boosters, you can say goodbye to caffeine crashes and hello to sustained natural energy. Remember, taking care of your body through sleep, mindfulness, laughter, and music isn't just about boosting energy, it's about improving your overall health and happiness. Moving on to scene 3, we continue our journey into the world of natural boosters. The choices we make on a daily basis about the food we consume significantly impact our energy levels. To draw an analogy, our bodies function similarly to machines, with the food we eat acting as the vital fuel necessary for efficient operations. This is why a balanced diet is paramount for sustaining consistent energy levels. Now let's delve deeper into the specifics. Whole grains, for instance, serve as a powerful source of energy. Their high fiber content slows down the release of sugars into our bloodstream, ensuring a constant flow of energy throughout the day, but that's not all. Whole grains are also brimming with B vitamins, which are vital for converting food energy. Now, let's navigate towards fruits. They are not just nature's dessert, they're also an excellent source of instant natural energy. This is because fruits like bananas, oranges, and apples contain high levels of fructose, a type of sugar that our bodies can rapidly transform into energy. Moreover, they're packed with fiber and vital nutrients, making them a healthier energy boost option compared to a candy bar. We also must not overlook lean proteins. Foods like chicken, fish, and legumes are protein-rich, which not only aids in tissue building and repair, but also plays a critical role in sustaining our energy levels. This is due to proteins taking a longer time to break down in our bodies, thus providing a long-lasting source of energy. However, it's not just about what you eat, it's also about when you eat. Consistent meals and snacks can help avert energy slumps during the day. Consider it like stoking a fire. Consistent fueling keeps the flames alight. So instead of skipping meals or having one big meal a day, aim for smaller, frequent meals and snacks to maintain steady energy levels. Essentially, secret to naturally amplifying your energy resides in your kitchen. With the correct foods and eating patterns, you can efficiently fuel your body, guaranteeing a steady energy supply to keep you active. Fuel your body correctly and it will reciprocate with energy. Moving on to scene 2, we introduce another powerful natural energy booster, proper nutrition. Now you might be thinking, I eat 3 meals a day, isn't that enough? But it's not just about when and how much you eat, it's about what you're eating. Our bodies are like finely tuned machines and the food we eat is our fuel. If we're filling up on junk food and processed snacks, it's like trying to run a sports car low-grade fuel. You're not going to get the performance you're looking for. Instead, Aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods not only provide us with the nutrients our need to function optimally, but they also help us maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Avoid foods high in added sugars as they can lead to energy crashes. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Dehydration can also lead to feelings of fatigue, so drink up, folks. Alongside sleep, nutrition plays a crucial role in our energy levels. It's time to fuel up right and let your body perform at its best. Invest in your nutrition, and you'll experience a surge in your energy. Bon appetit, folks! Before we wrap up our discussion on natural energy boosters, let's not forget one crucial aspect: rest and relaxation. In our fast-paced world, we often forget that sometimes the best way to recharge our batteries is simply to take a break. Whether it's a short nap, a relaxing walk, or a meditation session, taking time for yourself can significantly improve your energy levels. Think of it like this: if you're constantly running on high speed, eventually, you're going to burn out. But if you allow yourself regular periods of rest, you're able to maintain a steady, sustainable pace. So, the next time you're feeling sluggish, instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, consider taking a few minutes to relax and recharge. You might be surprised at how much more energetic you feel. Remember, sometimes less is more. Rest up, folks. You'll thank yourself later.